artery forceps, indication. It can be used as hemostat used for clamping bleeding vessels during hemorrhage. It is also used for gasping tissue at the time of operation, opening and closing peritoneum. It is also used to hold stay sutures. Alice, Alice tissue forceps. Indication. Alice tissue forceps are used for gasping organ, slippery or dense tissue during electrosurgery. Valsalem. Indication. Used in gynecological operation to hold the tip of cervix. This structure is similarly to Alice forceps except they are very long. Thumb forceps. Indication. For holding and manipulating delicate tissues. Right angle artery forceps. Indication. To isolate encircle and ligate vessels or duct those especially present in depth. Kocher forceps. Indication. To hold securely superior thyroid pedicle vessels. Hold retracting cut end of vessels in tough fibrous tissue. Hold ribs during rib resection. To cause artificial rupture of gestational membrane. Babcock forceps. Indication. Used to delicate tissue in laser procedures. They are frequently used with intestinal and laparotomy procedures. Scalpel handle or backpacker handle. Indication. Intended to be used with BP safety blades for tissue separation and other procedure that require a sharp surgical blade to puncture or cut. Cautery or electrocautery. Indication: removal of unsightly warts to burn or coagulate the specific area of tissue. Cheatal forceps. Indication: used to remove sterilized instrument from boiler and formalin cabinet. The forceps are placed in container of methylate spirit when not in use. Diverse retractor. Indication: used to hold back the abdominal wall during abdominal or thoracic procedures. Dion's double clip. Indication: used to fix draping towels. Used for fixing diathermy cables, suction tube, etc. Dion's retractor. Indication: used in pelvic surgery. Cat spa. Welcomans retractor. Indication: retraction of skin and tough fascia. Indication: in operation involving a lot of dissection in superficial muscle pain which require retraction, example hernioplasty, thyroidectomy. Mayo's double clip. Indication: fixed drap in manner to expose operative field only. Also used to fix tubing and cautery wire to drap in way that do not fall. Mary's double-ended retractor. Indication: to retract strong structure like abdominal wall muscle and it gives wider space to work. Mosquito artery or small artery. Indication: as a hemostat, holding cut edges to open up abscess, hold free end of suture, hold end of sutures, breaking locule, etc. Needle holder. Indication: used to hold a suturing needle for closing wounds during suturing and surgical procedure. Ramply sponge holding forceps. Indication: for holding sponge or gauze to clean the operative field. Scalpel blade. For incision. Self-retaining retractor. Indication: self-retaining retractor allow hand-free operation during a surgery. Scissors. Iris scissor. Lister bandage scissor. Metasebum scissors. Mayo scissor. Indication: are used for sharp as well as blunt dissection and also for cutting various tubing, surgical dressing, gauze, sutures, etc.